Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I have a different background today. Like the title says, we're gonna clean my closet today. I just thought I would show you how I organize my closet and how I actually, not necessarily clean it, but how like I put my stuff, where I put my stuff and how it's organized. Since we're shifting to the summer too, like it has something to do with like the way I'm gonna organize it. So right now, this is the before, of course. it's really bad. I have a pile of clothes right here. I have this, I have some on top. It's just a complete mess. Basically right now, like I have my winter clothes here, like my big sweaters and everything, and I have like my summer, spring clothes here. So basically what I'm gonna do is just gonna switch them, and yeah, this is basically what we're gonna do today. I also have like those cubicles here, if you guys can see them right here. And it's basically for, because I don't have hangers for everything, so whatever I don't have place for, I just fold them and put it at the bottom. And I actually have some drawers under that. You guys can't see them on the frame because the way it's set up, I couldn't put it in the frame. But anyways, I only put my PJs in there, so you guys don't need to see my PJs. Seriously, like it's pretty boring. Even my clothes, not like they're not like super, like, I don't know how to say that. They're not like I have a lot of black clothes, so it's nothing crazy. I would say I don't have any colorful things. Like most of the things are right here right now. It's mostly black, and all the colors you see, it's like this is like white and some blue. Actually, there's a pink shirt here that I never wear, so yeah. So it's gonna be speed through all the whole time, of course, because there's not much to say. I just wanted you guys to see how I'm gonna organize it. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna clean my closet today. I'm gonna show you the after, and yeah, that's it. So just stick around if you want to see everything. guess I'm done after an hour, maybe it took me. It's not that bad, honestly. I thought it was gonna take me much longer than that. So basically what I did, here are my summer tops. I know they don't look like summer, but this is what I wear. I do have like a couple of sweaters because like I said, sometimes it does get kind of cold. So I still keep some sweaters, and I have like short sleeves. I have some like everyday dresses, like almost like t-shirt dresses, if you guys can call it that. No sleeves, all mixed together. And then under I have some t-shirts because I don't have, like just folded because I don't have enough holders. These are all my bottoms, like my pants, jeans, leggings, everything in the same part. I do have a lot of summer clothes this year, so I had to like take half of this, but this part is mostly like when I go out like with friends, or if like go to the restaurant, more dressier like clothes that I don't wear often. This is really what I wear usually. Like even sometimes I'll go to the restaurant wearing something from here on the bottom. This is where I put like all my sweaters. The winter, so I'm probably never gonna use this part here anymore. And whatever didn't fit, I just put it at the bottom here. Yeah. So mostly gonna use those three. These are a lot of like dresses, summer, not summer dresses, I would say like really going out. Whatever didn't fit here, I just put it here. And like here, like I said, it's all my pants. Yeah, I do have some maxi dresses over there too. So that's about it. Like I said, if you guys want me to like show you everything, I can always like do another video for you guys. Just have to like put the comment down below and I'll do it for you. And yeah, so that's about it, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.